Here's how you add automated patterns onto TradingView charts. Go over here to indicators, metrics, and strategies, and then type in the word patterns. From there, go to the second one underneath technicals. It's going to say all chart patterns new. Give this a gold star, click on it once, and then voila, you're going to have some patterns on here. Now, you can use these for breakouts, breakdowns, and different strategies. I'd recommend going over here to the settings though, and then you guys will go from patterns, last awaiting. I want you guys to go all, because what that'll do is it'll show you guys a lot of the previous patterns that were shown, and those are going to be different opportunities for you guys to trade and back test, whether you guys are trading cryptocurrency, stocks, options, forex, whatever, they're going to be there for you. One more thing, if you guys use my strategy, you guys know what type of patterns you guys are good at trading. If you guys have a high success rate in a particular type of pattern, like head and shoulders, or a bearish flag or bullish flag, only have those ones checked. That way you're only trading what you guys are good at. That means you guys' success rate is going to be much higher. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please make sure to subscribe. Thank you.